Hey, this is Adrienne, and I'm going to make a video on how to make a chore chart for your kids. And you need a glue gun. I got one of these that stands up. It's a stand-up glue gun with glue sticks. Some of this wood here, I think they're 2 inches by 1 7/8 inches. I got 2 bags because she's going to have a lot of chores. And a Sharpie to write on the wood. Some magnets so the wood will stick to the refrigerator, because I'm going to do this right on the refrigerator. And this Mod Podge clear acrylic sealer for the wood. And that's the list of ingredients. And I'll be back with you on how to make it. Okay, hi, this is Adrienne, and I'm making a DIY chore chart for Zoe so she can start doing chores. And what I've got here is a hot glue gun. I'm going to be needing a hot glue gun. There's one right there. Sharpie pen right here. There's a couple of those. Glue sticks, which came with the glue gun. I've got some acrylic sealer right here. And over here is the wood that we're going to use. It's little, I believe it's 2 inches by 1 7/8 inches. And this one here has been sprayed with the sealer. It's just drying right now. And some magnets. And what we're going to do is we're going to hot glue gun the magnets. Let me show you. Right here to this little wooden thing, and then that part is going to stick to the refrigerator. It'll just stick like that, you put it up. But we're going to seal this side here and write on it too. But I'm just going to go ahead and attach that since I've already sealed this side. And you want to make sure that the wood is sealed before you write on it with the Sharpie, because if you wait till after, when you spray the sealer on there, it'll make the Sharpie run. Now this here is an example right down here, is an example of when I used the Sharpie after the sealer. So it didn't run, but the other two ran because I put sealer on top of Sharpie. So we're not going to want to do that. And I'm going to go get a tripod to hold the camera so I can show you how to make these, and I'll be right back. Okay, Zoe's volunteered to glue the magnet onto the little wooden board. So I'm going to hand her the glue gun, and she's going to do it under parental supervision. Glue guns aren't for kids. And there it is, glued on. There, very good. And now that it's glued on, what we'll do is we're going to write the day of the week and the name of the chore. So this one, we'll probably say Monday morning, brush your teeth. This would be one chore. And there's probably going to be a value on it. Like, she'll earn $1 if she brushes her teeth in the morning and the night. And so, whatever your household requires, put your requirements on yours. I'm going to go ahead and write down the chore on this little wooden plank, and I'll be right back with you. Okay, I'm back, and we've got a piece of wood here that's been sealed, and we've already done that. And it's got the magnet on the back, and that's been sealed back there. And now Zoe is going to volunteer to write down the Monday, because it's going to be a Monday chore, and brush teeth. So she's volunteered to do that. To write down the first chore right here on this piece of wood. That's what it's about.
I do it right now.
B-R-U. Let me see. Monday, brush teeth. All right, go put it up on the refrigerator.
But my finger did great handwriting.
You really did great handwriting.
I think.
And show them how you can pick it off the refrigerator now. There, very good. It's got, because of the magnet. And that. And this. Oops, I'm sorry. I'll just explain it because I dropped it. We're going to put these magnets on the top of the refrigerator. Right here. And when she finishes, it's going to go down here on the bottom of the refrigerator. So that way I'll know when she's finished a chore. Actually, I'll check the chore first, you know, just to make sure she's done it. And then I'll move the magnet down, or she will. And then the amount on the bottom will be the amount that I owe. And what I'm going to do is I've got a little, I ordered a debit card from somewhere. I can't remember. I think it's Henry something. But what you do is you can put allowance right on the debit card. And I'm going to load her allowance onto the debit card as she completes a task. So we'll say 50 cents to brush your teeth in the morning, and then 50 cents at night, she'll make $1. So that's how that's going to go. And if you like the chore chart, let me know. It's a kind of a fun craft to do together. And I'll let you know how it works in the comments. Or actually, maybe when I get done making a few more chores, I'll show you how it works in action too. So I'll be back and I'll do that. Hey, this is Adrienne. I'm back again with the finished chore chart. This one's really kind of a basic chart. It's got Monday. Let's see, right down here is Monday, then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And this is just for one child. Usually you'd have different charts for 2 or more. You could change around if you had more kids. But this one's just for Zoe because I've only got one. And this is all I have for her chores so far. She's going to have a lot more chores. And I can just add things to that or delete them. You can decorate them if you wanted to. Zoe's decorated a couple down here. But you could bedazzle them if you wanted to put little gems or whatever on there. Or you could take paper and put it on there and then apply a coat of that sealer. And, you know, you could print off whatever you wanted to do or use a printer. But this is it. I'll stand back a little bit so you can see it a little better, the whole thing. And as she does a chore, she'll move it to the bottom of the refrigerator. I did it this way because I don't really have a lot of wall space here. My apartment's pretty small. And I don't have room for the board, the whiteboard. So I'm just using the refrigerator. And that's that. I hope you enjoyed this. If you have chore chart ideas of your own, put them in the comments section. And we can go watch your videos too. So I'll see you later and bye.